Welcome to another episode of DBTV. We're here at Entertainment Quarter for another Cars and Coffee. It's a new venue for them. There's lots of supercars here, and today we brought out the Nlargo. So come and check out the Nlargo and all the other supercars here. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you're liking the content on DBTV.
How much is this?
Well, I don't want Happy Mother's Day. So we got the person behind Cars and Coffee Sydney, Michael. We've got the new venue, so tell us, you know, it's been a while since the last event. Welcome back.
Yeah, thanks, welcome back. We came out to celebrate Fast and Furious 10 or Fast X. Idea is test the venue out, see if it's good for Cars and Coffee, and then maybe do a really big one here in a few months.
Back to the usual time,
yeah,
7 a.m.
7 o'clock, coffee,
I'll come at 9.
Yeah, you could turn up with your fanboys.
Yeah, so this is the first time we're having it at this venue. 60 cars, but normally you'd have a few hundred.
Yeah, a couple hundred.
A couple hundred, just as standard, yeah.
I think we can fit probably 200 or 300 in here.
And I think you can tell from the crowd, even though you've only organised this a few weeks ago, everybody's kind of itching for, you know, CNC to come back. So we can't wait for a proper full Cars and Coffee. Yeah,
me neither.
Yeah.
I'm impressed. It's Mother's Day. It was raining this morning. I wasn't expecting this many cars.
So here we got Jahan from House of Auto Care. So they brought these two amazing cars, the SF90 and MC20. Just the two cars today?
Yeah, just the two cars. This one's got a set of AL13s on it, so it's got a carbon barrel as well. Being lowered on Novitec springs.
Probably the first one in Australia with the carbon
barrels, yeah. First one with the carbon barrels. Little things as well, so full PPF, tinted lights, tinted windows, just to give it that stealthier look.
Exhaust?
No exhaust yet.
No exhaust yet.
It's in the works, but we haven't got there yet.
It's so smart, just lowered and wheels.
Yeah, well, we wanted to keep it simple, not too flashy, but still classy at the same time. So.
Good job. Yeah. And then here, we got the MC.
This one, exact same. So this car's actually was originally black.
Oh,
so this is a colour up. Yeah, we
colour change?
Wrapped it yellow, got the wheels on it as well.
That's all factory.
These are PC forged.
Okay, but just factory aero?
Factory aero.
Just carbon.
Yeah, factory aero with the carbon lowered wheels, the wrap. That's it at the moment.
I've always been a bit iffy about the MC, but looking at this one in the yellow.
In the yellow.
Very smart.
Well, the plan's to do the Novitec exhaust on this.
Yeah.
So
maybe it's a future episode we can cover these two cars, and you know the owners will let us have a drive. And
oh, you're always welcome as well. Yeah. Come have a look.
Yeah.
We'll be at the shop and we're working on them.
Anyway, Jahan.
Done.
Good seeing you.
Thanks, Nico.
Look at that. 2 kids in the back. That's impressive. So here we got a twin turbo Huracan. I think a few of the guys here from Precision Racing brought their cars. It's kind of cool to have a bit more variety this time, you know. We've got S-Turbo, STO, R8, and a few other Performantes. I think I heard they're making anywhere between 1,200 to 1,500 horsepower. If any of the owners are watching, you know, I'd like to go, you know, passenger ride. I'd like to experience what 1,200, 1,500 horsepower feels like. Not bad.
It's hectic. So good. It's white.
Yeah.
White as a gas.
Good size, good size.
I haven't heard it yet.
Probably very rare. I don't know how many we got, but it's a Black Series SL65. Ooh, look at that. Thumbs up to the owner for bringing it out. So here we are with Cheryl with her Cali. She's also got her Corvette just around the corner. It's good to see, you know, female owners being part of the scene. Cheryl's very involved. pretty much every Cars and Coffee, Vaucluse Car Club.
Yeah.
What other events?
Motorculture.
Motorculture.
Yeah.
Actually, I want to know, what are some of the comments that you get at the traffic light, some of the boys? What do the boys say?
Oh, they always look twice, and I always get, oh my gosh, it's a chick.
The Corvette's new?
The Corvette's new, it's old but new.
So why don't we have a look at the Corvette? Did you import it yourself? Or?
Yes, we imported it ourselves.
Yeah.
We bought 3.
You bought 3?
Yeah, we bought 3 in an El Camino. So, yeah. So this is my teenage dream. I've always wanted one of these. And the C5 is the best.
Yeah, I think for those American viewers, a lot of you guys, don't realise we don't have Corvettes sold here. As you can see, it's left-hand drive. Australia is a right-hand drive market, so you got to personally import it.
Yes.
Yeah. But then you imported 3. Why not, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we've sold 1 and we've got these 2 left, and we want to sell it, but it's so fun to drive.
Yeah.
It's so much fun to drive.
This is another car you get a few comments from the boys, right?
Definitely, especially, oh my gosh.
And then they'll be on
left-hand
the, they're just right next to you.
Yeah, I know.
Anyway, Cheryl, thanks very much.
Thanks so much.
So we got, Dave with the NSX 2.0. In Sydney, we actually haven't got that many of them. I think we got around 2 or 3. Australia only sold like 8 of them. Obviously, you know that I'm a original NSX owner, but I like what Dave's done with this one. Slammed. Can't walk past, an OG NSX. Australia only had around 120 of them. This one looks like it's the original NA1 5-speed. It's got the NSXR wheels and the interior. But let's go around the corner where we can see Roland's NSX, and it's been wide-bodied. So we got here Roland's NSX, but it's not any normal NSX, it's been wide-bodied. Roland's a good friend of mine, but I think he's taken that wide body to another level. Peter from Bodyform helped him build this car. His wide body is probably a few revisions after mine, so it's so clean. Roland did a good job. So we got Michael again here in front of his Aventador 50th anniversario.
Nice try. Points for trying.
Go. What is it?
No, I don't know pronounce it either, to be honest.
50th anniversary
yeah,
LP 720. How many do they make? 50? Only?
100 coupes, 100 roadsters.
Right, and even in Australia, I don't think we had that.
There's 4 coupes, and now there's 1 or 2 roadsters as well.
I personally feel, in terms of the aero kit, the 50th anniversary is, I think, is the best looking out of them all. My opinion.
I agree too.
Yeah.
So
over the SV and the SVJ, I take this in terms of pure, pure looks.
I'm a bit biased, but I agree.
I don't think many have come on the market, isn't it?
Not recently.
Yeah.
There were a couple when the 2 roadsters arrived in from Singapore.
Yeah.
They were on the market for a little while, but I haven't seen a coupe in a while.
Lambos. Always Lambos.
Lamborghini drivers, mate.
Yeah, and Nlargo owner as well does the same thing. Ridiculous.
Nlargo.
Ridiculous. Is that a 993 or 9?
It's a 78 SC chassis.
70.
With a 89 3.2 litre Carrera motor, and it has the body of a 993 Turbo S.
Oh wow!
So it's a proper Frankenstein. It's been cut up just as much as your car has been, but it's my little project.
Oh wow! So UK was done.
What's that?
Was done in the UK?
No, it was done in California. It's left-hand drive.
Oh, okay.
I bought it in California almost 10 years ago.
So part of Cars and Coffee tonight, we're also having the Fast and Furious 10 premiere, and they're displaying Will's McLaren Senna. We've got around 5 in Sydney, so it was very good for Will to kind of put it out on show today in front of the Fast and Furious premiere. I want to speak to the lady owner. Oh no, look at this. It's the first time I've seen this in real life. Wow. So that wraps up another episode of DBTV, and today we covered the Cars and Coffee Sydney here at Entertainment Quarter. We brought out the Nlargo. There was a very enthusiastic crowd to welcome the Nlargo, so it kind of answers the question, do they love it or hate it? I think majority of the people loved it. Again, thanks for watching another episode of DBTV. If you're liking the content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next episode. Thanks very much.